Today is a very exciting day because I will unbox the GoPro Hero 6. See what's inside. Oh, hang on. Before that, I actually bought a 3-way tripod, which is actually compatible with the GoPro and it's very useful. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, it's 3-way. Yeah, it's very useful if you want to go outside, take a selfie. So let's put this aside and let's proceed to GoPro Hero 6 Black. Finally, I got it. But my wife doesn't know that I bought it. Yes. I actually didn't eat for a month to get this one. So hopefully this one is worth it. Alright. Here's the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Let's check what's inside. Right. Yeah, basically the resolution has 4K at 60 frames per second. Slow motion is a battery smooth. And of course it has a voice command, and now you can turn on the camera by just saying GoPro turn on, GoPro turn off, which is easy and very nice. Alright, now let's check the box. What's inside? Yes, basically you got this two thing that I don't use that much, and you get the cable charger, which is very nice, and you get the battery as well, and you have a sticker as well that you can put to your laptop somewhere. And what else inside? Oh, you got the manual if you don't know how to use it, and it's easy, but I don't read this. And you got this, yeah, the GoPro Shop Care, which is very good. And the GoPro 6 is also compatible with the old GoPro drone and its gimbal, which is very nice. This camera is built for outdoor-ish people like me. So let's try to do that water test at the pool and see how I can enjoy this GoPro 6 Hero Black.
What's up, guys? I'm here now at the pool and we're gonna try the GoPro 6 underwater! So, my initial reaction to this camera is absolutely amazing. I'm very happy I bought this camera. So guys, if you love traveling, actively sports, underwater, this is the perfect camera. You should check this out. This is Karl Quintos and I'm 1 with 25.
Hello digital nesters, thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to watch our future features.